You hear stories every day. Someone starts a channel about their dog, millions of views. A college student films their dorm room cooking, brand deals. It's easy to think YouTube is an easy way to get rich quick. Is it still possible in 2025? The answer is, it's complicated. YouTube is incredibly competitive. Thousands of videos are uploaded every hour. But here's the good news. People still crave authenticity and valuable content. If you can provide that, you have a shot. This isn't about overnight success. It's about building a community around something you love. Think of it like this. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Are you ready to put in the work? Do you have a unique voice? If the answer is yes, then let's get started. This guide will give you the tools and knowledge to navigate the world of YouTube. It's time to turn your passion into something more. Let's do this. First things first, you need a Google account. Already have one? Great. If not, it's quick and easy to create. Once that's sorted, head over to YouTube and click that Create a Channel button. Choose a name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Your channel icon is crucial. It's the first thing viewers see. Make it eye-catching. Next, write a compelling channel description. Tell people who you are and what you do. Don't forget to add links to your other social media accounts. Cross-promotion is key. Lastly, choose a banner image that visually represents your channel. This is prime real estate, so make it count. Now you have a home base. It's time to fill it with amazing content. What are you passionate about? Video games, cooking, financial advice? Your channel should revolve around something you love. This makes creating content enjoyable and keeps you motivated. Research your niche. What are other creators doing? What are they missing? Find a way to stand out. Maybe you offer a unique perspective or teaching style. Think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What kind of content do they want to see? Once you have a clear idea, start brainstorming video ideas. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have a few amazing videos than a bunch of mediocre ones. You don't need a Hollywood studio to make great videos. Start with what you have. A smartphone is a powerful tool. Ensure you have good lighting. Natural light is best, but a simple ring light can work wonders. Sound is crucial. Viewers will forgive bad video quality but not bad audio. Use an external microphone for clear and crisp sound. You don't need to break the bank. There are affordable options available. Editing is where your videos come together. Free software like DaVinci Resolve is an excellent place to start. Learn the basics of cutting, transitions, and adding music. Remember, your first few videos might not be perfect. That's okay. Practice makes perfect. The more you create, the better you'll get. Section 5, Finding Your Audience. Sharing is caring and other growth strategies. Your first few videos are up. Now what? You need to get those views. Share your videos everywhere. Social media, forums, email lists, anywhere your target audience hangs out. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and ask for feedback. Building a community is essential for growth. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. This exposes you to a wider audience. Consider running contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Be patient. Growing a channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, and the viewers will come. Section 6. The Money Tree. Monetization options for beginners. Let's talk about making money. The most common way is through ads. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Recommend products or services you love and use a unique link. If someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Sponsorships can be lucrative. Brands pay you to feature their products in your videos, but remember, always be transparent with your audience about sponsored content. Don't rely solely on YouTube for income. Diversify your revenue streams. Sell merchandise, offer consulting services, or create online courses related to your niche. Section 7. Dealing with haters and challenges. Don't feed the trolls. Unfortunately, not everyone will be a fan. You'll encounter negativity, criticism, and even hate comments. Don't take it personally. It comes with the territory. Ignore the trolls. Responding will only give them attention. Focus on your true fans and the positive interactions. Technical difficulties, creative blocks, and algorithm changes are all part of the game. Stay adaptable, learn from your mistakes, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Connect with other creators, join online communities, and seek support when you need it. Section 8. Consistency is key. Staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Creating content consistently is crucial. Establish a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's 1 video a week or 3 videos a month, consistency is key for audience retention. Don't be afraid to take breaks. Burnout is real. If you're feeling overwhelmed, step away for a bit. Your mental health is more important than uploading a video. Remember why you started your channel in the first place. Was it to share your passion with the world? To connect with like-minded people? Hold on to that passion. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every subscriber, every view, every positive comment is a step in the right direction. You got this. Section 9. Conclusion. Your YouTube journey begins today. Starting a YouTube channel is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. It takes hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity. But most importantly, it takes the courage to hit that record button and share your voice with the world. The path won't be easy, but it will be worth it. So what are you waiting for? Pick up your camera, find your light, and start creating. Your audience is waiting.